Hey everybody, I'm really excited to be presenting here at GEOINT 2023. My name is Matt Gaskins. I'm a product manager for the AI/ML ADC AWS team. In the lightning talk agenda, we're going to be talking about the technical challenges that a customer faces when processing satellite imagery. We're going to have a brief overview of the AWS products and solutions that they can provide for AI/ML challenges. We're also going to be talking about OversightML, which is a solution developed to process imagery against computer vision models at scale. We're going to talk about the benefits of OversightML, the key features of the solution, and how to get started. It's been an issue for customers with large-scale imagery that they have to deal with that, analyze it, and manage it, all while resolution is getting better and better every day. And there's not enough analysts to process that raw data. So there's been an increased reliance on AI/ML tools and technologies. And that spans from emergency response all the way to agriculture. Now there are three main tenets that we look at along with cost to support an AI/ML infrastructure. One is scale. The tools and technologies need to be scalable. They need to be able to grow and reduce so that they're cost effective. They need to be quick. They need to be able to run inference or train models quickly. And they need to be flexible. Pipelines need to be able to grow and mature with the solutions and mission needs of the customer. So Amazon has a lot of managed services that can support that, as seen on the screen. Additionally, we support open source frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. And we have the infrastructure solutions that exist to support an AI/ML infrastructure. So regarding OversightML specifically, essentially it's an inference capability, but it's a scalable inference capability, different than the NVIDIA GPUs or any other tool or technology that you have to put on premises that require power, space, and cooling. And with any normal AI/ML inference pipeline that supports geospatial capabilities, what you see on the screen here is that infrastructure. So you have the imagery, you have the models, training data, and labeling, but specifically, OversightML supports that inference capability and the GeoJSON outputs. And how we do this is through tiling. Computer vision models can't support large imagery. They support smaller imagery. So a typical ML input might be 1024 by 1024. And so what we do is something called tiling. And that tiling breaks out the pieces to have a small payload so that it can support a SageMaker hosted model or any other model that's brought in. We generate those tiles so that they're different boundaries, but there's overlap in there so that we don't miss any image that might be between a segment of both tiles. And then they're encoded to support GeoTIFF and then NITIF or any other GIS output that's needed by the customer. Additionally, from tiling, we also have model orchestration. So we support the image ingestion, we have the tiling, then we have the execution of the model, then geo-rectification and the output aggregation. Additionally, we add non-maximum suppression so that you don't have multiple detections. We want the analyst to have one detection. And so as you see on the left, the truck has multiple bounding boxes, and with non-maximum suppression, that's reduced so that the best bounding box for the image is chosen. And the benefits of OversightML are really that it's an enabler, it's scalable, it's cost effective, and you can transition from a research team to a full-scale team. You can support enterprise AI, or if you're a research team that only processes a certain amount of images, you can support the full gamut. It's as needed, so you only have AWS solutions turned on when you need it. It's reliable with multiple availability zones across the nation, and it's secure, supporting NIST 853 and NIST 207 accreditation requirements. So to get started, you'll access a repository containing the source code in Python. You'll have documentation to support you, and you'll have engineers supporting you similar to a CentOS or a Rancher style deployment that's open source. Additionally, customers can use the provided CDK to stand up any resources you need and deploy the solution on your own account. You don't have to have us a part of that. And you can make modifications to the source code as you need. Thank you for your time. Again, my name is Matt Gaskins. My email is provided below.